पाश्चात्य देश तारिणे श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैता गदाधरा श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Krishna everybody. Okay, Hare Krishna. So Shikshashtakam, we will do the next 4 verses and then we will wind it up. Okay, anybody wants to start like revising from the first verse? We can go verse by verse.
Sure, Mataji.
Yeah, you want to start, Mataji?
Yes, if you can sing first.
Okay. I'll sing the full verse, then you can repeat. Okay?
Yes.
चेतो दर्पणमार्जनं भवमहादावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयाकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुदिवर्धनं प्रतिपदं पूर्णामृतस्वादनं सर्वात्मा स्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्
चेतोदर्पणमार्जनं भवमहा दावाग्निर्वापनं श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणं विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुदिवर्धनं प्रतिपदां पूर्णामृता स्वादनं सर्वात्मा स्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम्.
हरि
I
बोल।
didn't get that nuances, Mataji, which is I think I have to hear a lot. Then I will. Thank
It's
you,
very
Mataji.
beautiful, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Thank you. Okay, next who wants to go? You can raise your hand. Anybody? Hare Krishna. Okay, I'll sing the second verse once and then whoever wants to sing can raise your hands. Yeah, Prabhu. नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमितस्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवान् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं मिहाजनिनानुरागः. Yes, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Okay, Radha Balvi Mataji. Hare Krishna. Okay, Prabhu is singing. Yeah. Yes, Manikyam Prabhu.
नाम्नामकारी बहुधानि च सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता निजमता स्मरणेन कलाः इदर्दुस्ति तव कृपा भगवान् ममापि दुर्दैवं विदुरस्तं इहाजनीननुरागः.
Hare Krishna. Thank you, Prabhu. Next, Radha Valmi Mataji, would you like to go with the third verse?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji, Pranam.
Third verse Mataji.
Yeah, third verse.
Rinatapi sune chena taro api shahishnuna amanina manadena kirtanya sada hari.
Hari Bol, very beautiful. This is a very beautiful and most important verse, right? Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Next, Ramya Mataji, would you like to try the next verse?
हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Mataji.
न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वजगदिशा कामये मम जन्मानि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतात् भक्तिरहेतुकी त्वयि.
Hari bol, very nice. Next. So we will start with the fifth verse. So division we all know, right? Last class. Anybody knows how the 8 verses are divided in Shikshashtakam? What are the first 4 verses indicating and what are the next 4 verses indicating? Anybody? Oh, you're all on mute. I'm so sorry. Wait. Yeah. What are the first 4 verses indicating and what are the next 4 verses indicating? No one knows? Yes, Prabhu?
First 4 verse indicate the new devotee.
Hmm.
How
Next 4?
to next 4 verse the advanced devotee.
Yeah. First 4 verses help us or teach us how to become a devotee. And next 4 verses are, as Prabhu said, advanced or pure devotees. So these are all indicating sadhana stage, right? We have to cleanse our heart. There is no rules, regulations. You need to be humble and chant, right? You don't have to you shouldn't be focusing on dhanam, janam. All this is the instructions for a neophyte to become a pure devotee. And next 5 are the characteristics of a pure devotee. Once you become a pure devotee, how is your attitude or mood going to be, right? That is what is indicated by the next 5 verses. So what does this mean? Ainanda tanuja kinkaram patitam mam vishame bhavambudau kripaya tava pada pankaja stitaduli sadrisham vichintaya. Ainanda tanuja kinkaram. So it says, O son of Maharaja Nanda, son of Nanda is Krishna, right? I'm your eternal servitor. Yet somehow or the other I have fallen into the ocean of birth and death. Kinkaram means I'm your servitor. Kinkaram means servitor, okay? And Patitam, I've fallen, right? Vishame Bhavambhuda. Somehow or the other, I've just fallen down into this ocean of birth and death. Kripaya, with your mercy, right? Mercy at the of your lotus feet. Please pick me up from this ocean of birth and death. Stitaduli sadrisham vichintaya. I will rather stay as an atom of dust, right, on your lotus feet rather than this material world. This is a pure devotee's characteristic, right? The mood and the bhav of a pure devotee. So the pure devotee is ready to stay even as a dust particle on the feet, lotus feet of the Lord, rather than, coming and suffering in the material world away from Krishna. So a pure devotee always experiences separation from Krishna, right? And so that's why the pure devotee can't stay in this material world even for a moment, right? So always prays to take him back home, back to Godhead. So that is this verse. Anybody wants to try? Who wants to try this verse?
Yes, Mataji, I can try.
Yeah. Hare Krishna. Okay. Bhagyalakshmi Mataji.
Okay, somebody.
Yeah. Like,
Yes, Mataji.
yeah.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
ऐनन्दातनुज किङ्करं पतितं माभिसमे भवं बुधौ कृपया तव पदपङ्कज स्थिता धूलिसदृशं विचीयन्ताय.
Hari bol. Thank you,
Hare
Mataji. Hare
Hare
Krishna.
Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Okay. Next. Next, who wants to try? नयनं गलदश्रुधारया वदनं गद्गदारुढाय गिरा पुलकैर्निचितं वपुकदा तव नाम ग्रहणे भविष्यति. O my Lord, when will my eyes be decorated with tears of love flowing constantly when I chant your holy name? So Nayanam means eyes, right? Nayanam Ghaladashru Dharaya, Ashru. Right? So when will that day come where my eyes will be filled with tears just by listening to your name or chanting your holy name? Right? And Vadanam Gadgada Rudhaya Gira. When will my voice start choking? Right? When I speak, when will my voice choke? And Pulakar Nichitam Vapukada. When will the hair on my body stand on end? Right? That goosebumps feeling. When will I even get that? When I listen to your holy name or when I chant your holy name. Right? Tava nama grahane bhavishyati. When I hear your holy name or when I chant your holy name. This is how the pure devotee behaves, right? We also say Krishna, Krishna every day. We also chant 16 rounds. One drop of tear also won't come from our eyes, right? Why? Because our heart is very hard, right? I think Vasudeva Ghosh or someone says, I'm not sure who is it, but he says, in place of heart, there is actually stone. That's why it's not melting. That's why tears are not coming. Only when heart softens, right, then we will be able to see the Lord or feel the Lord's presence in every holy name we chant, right? And example is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. I think all of you know, right? When he went to Jagannath Puri to see the Lord, he was completely in ecstasy, and he was not able to pronounce the name of the Lord properly. What did he pronounce? Instead of Jagannath, what did he say?
Jaga.
Haribol, yeah, Jaga, and he again used to fall unconscious. Again, he used to gain conscious, look at the deity, couldn't say the name because voice was choking, right? Vadanam Gadgada Rudhaya Gira. Same thing, voice was choking so much that he couldn't say the name, complete name, Jaga, and then again unconscious, right? And he used to become pale, his hair would stand on end, right? He used to sweat and shiver at the same time, right? He used to cry. I mean, just look at that Ashta Satvik Vikar, right? We cannot even talk about it because we have not experienced it. We can only, we don't have first hand experience. We can only understand it through the great devotees showing those symptoms, right? So that is this verse all about. Yeah, who wants to repeat?
Hare Krishna Mataji. I'll try
Yeah,
Mataji.
yeah, yes, Prabhu.
Hare Krishna. Nayanam Galadashrudaraya Vadanam Gadgadarudaya Gira Pulakairnichitam Vapukada Tavanama Grahane Bhavishyati. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. Okay, next verse. युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रावृषायतं शून्यायितं जगत्सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे. So translation is like this. O Govinda, feeling your separation, I'm considering a moment to be like 12 years or more. 12 years or more. Yugaitam nimishena. Right? One nimisha is moment, right? One moment is like 12 years or more. And uh, chakshusha pravriyashayatam. Tears are flowing from my eyes like torrents of rain. Right? This is again a pure devotee's characteristics, because like I just said, we also chant 16 rounds, one drop of tear also don't come. Yeah, we also cry in front of the deities, but it's again our material things that come in the form of tears. It's not separation from the Lord. The tears are not coming in the form, to glorify the Lord, right? It is because of our material difficulties that we have. Oh, this is my problem, that is my problem, so automatically when you pray, tears come. But that is not considered to be transcendental tears, the tears that we are talking about here, right? And shunya itam jagat sarvam, this entire world is zero. Shunya is zero, right? It's zero in the Lord's Govinda virahename, in the Lord's absent, in Govinda's absence, or when you're separated from the Lord Govinda, the entire world becomes zero or vacant, right? So this is complete vipralamba bhav, right? Even the Goswamis used to say this, right? In Goswami Ashtakam also it said, oh Krishna, where are you? Are you in that Vamshivat, or you're in or on the banks of Yamuna, or where are you? Where are you? So they used to go everywhere and search, where's my Krishna? Where's my Krishna? I can't see them. I can't see him. There's no Radha Krishna here. Right? So that is the intense separation feeling which is possible only for pure devotees. It's called Vipralamba Bhav. Right? Yeah. Anybody wants to repeat this? You can unmute and repeat. Who wants to repeat?
Mataji, can I do?
Yeah, yes, Mataji.
युगायितं निमेषेण चक्षुषा प्रवृष्यताम् शून्यायतं जगत् सर्वं गोविन्दविरहेण मे.
Very well, very beautiful. Thank you, Mataji. Next is again highly, out of reach for us. We will not understand this verse, right? This is on surrender. Okay, this last verse is completely on surrender. आश्लिष्य वा पादरतं पिनष्टु माम् अदर्शनं मर्महतं करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पतो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु एव नापरः. This is very beautiful. Ashlishyava padaratam pinashtuma madarshanam marmahatam karotuva. So I know no one but Krishna as my supreme worshipable Lord, right? And he shall remain so even if he handles me roughly. Adarshanam marmahatam karotuva. Whether he gives me his darshan or he disappears, vanishes in front of me, it's okay, right? Even if he handles me roughly, right, by his embrace, or makes me broken hearted by not being present in front of me, right, and he's completely free to do anything. Yatha tathava vidadhatu lampato. Whatever he wants, he can do. Right? He's completely free to do anything and everything. For he is always my worshipable Lord. Right? This is called surrendering. Surrendering means this. Whatever the Lord wants, let him do. Going by the will of the Lord is called surrendering. Right? It's not key. We all do a lot of devotional service, lot of temple services, everything. But in that heart, right, in the heart and mind, this feeling has to come. Ki whatever Krishna wants, Krishna wills, I'll abide by that. I'll adhere. I'm not going to have any wish or desire of my own. My only wish and desire is to make Krishna happy. Right? Anyabhilashita shunya. And if that happens, then I'm happy. If Krishna is happy, then I'm happy. If Krishna is not happy, I'm not happy. Like just an example, say I've given this example many times. Say you want something, okay? Or say you want some balloon, okay? You want red color balloon, but Krishna wants to give you yellow color balloon. But if you have that independent desire, no, I want red only, then you're not surrendered, right? Rather, if you are happy with whichever color balloon Krishna is willing to give you, right, then that is called surrendered, right? I was listening to a lecture, and that Maharaj said, you know what he said? What is surrender? He explained in a very nice way. Say a teacher is distributing fruits to all the children in the class, okay? So say one person, say there are 5 children, and one children out of those 5 got rotten apple. Okay, everybody else got full, ripe, nice, high quality, tasty apples, but only one child in that got rotten apple. And that child, instead of crying, goes, takes it home and says, you know what, my teacher gave me apple so happily. That child is going and telling at home, I got apple. So the child is not bothered, oh, it's rotten, I can't eat it. The child is only looking, okay, I also got apple, I'm so happy, all others got, I also got, right? And that is the kind of attitude a devotee who is completely surrendered to the Lord should have. Okay, whatever Krishna gives, he's supposed to be happy with it. Like Sanatan Goswami used to not hesitate to eat rotten food also. He used to say, this is prasadam. Right? So something like that. That is called surrendered feeling. Yeah, who wants to recite? Yes, Prabhu, Hare Krishna. You can go ahead.
अश्लिष्यावपतरतं विनष्टो माम् आदर्शनं मर्मगतं करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदस्तु लम्बतो मत्प्राणानतस्तु च एव नापरः.
Hari Bol. Thank you, Prabhu. Hare Krishna. We finished it very fast today. So how do we, anybody wants to start from the beginning? Those of you who have not sung in this class, would you all like to try from the first verse? Padmashri Mataji?
Hare
Yes.
Krishna. Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Pranam. चेतोदर्पणमार्जनम् भवमहादावाग्निनिर्वापणम् श्रेयकैरवचन्द्रिका वितरणम् विद्यावधूजीवनम् आनन्दाम्बुधिवर्धनम् प्रतिपदम् पूर्णामृतास्वादनम् सर्वात्मस्नपनं परं विजयते श्रीकृष्ण संकीर्तनम। हरे कृष्ण।
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you so much. Next, who wants to try? Those who have not tried in this class. Chanakya Prabhu, would you like to try?
So, Mataji, I'll follow you, Mataji, because I joined late. I
Yeah,
pretty
yeah,
much
sure.
came at the last verse.
Second verse. I'll sing the entire verse. Is that okay?
Okay, Mataji, I'll try. If it's difficult, then I'll let you know.
Same tune. It's the same tune. We are not changing the tune.
Okay.
नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्ति तत्रार्पिता नियमितस्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवान् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं मिहाजनिनानुरागः.
Yeah. Kind of difficult, Mataji.
We can break it up.
नामकारी बहुधा निज सर्वशक्तिः तत्रार्पिता नियमितः स्मरणेन कालः एतादृशी तव कृपा भगवान् ममापि दुर्दैवमीदृशं निहाजनीननुरागः.
Hari bol. See, it's not difficult. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu makes everything easy.
Thank you, Hare Krishna Mataji.
Next, who wants to try? Kiruba Shankar Prabhu, do you want to try?
Having my lunch, Mataji.
Okay, okay, no problem, Prabhu. Next, Meghala Lakshmi Mataji. Yes, Hare Krishna Mataji.
चेतो दर्पण फर्स्ट
Fourth verse.
Mataji, third verse, Mataji.
Third, okay, yeah, I skipped. Third verse.
तृणातबि सुनीचेन तरोरबि सहिष्णुना अमानिना मानदेन कीर्तनीय सदा हरि.
Hari bol. Very nice. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Mataji.
Next, Pravina Mataji. Do you want to try?
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Mataji.
Fourth verse. Yeah, you're audible, Mataji.
I'll try Mataji. My tune, I'm not able to sing like you.
No, that's okay. That's okay. You can try.
न धनं न जनं न सुन्दरीं कवितां वा जगदीश कामये मम जन्मनि जन्मनीश्वरे भवतात् भक्तिरहैतु की त्वयि.
Hari bol. You sing so beautifully, Mataji. Hare Krishna. Next, who wants to try? Ramya Mataji.
हरे कृष्ण माताजी.
Hare Krishna.
अयि नन्दतनुजा किङ्करा पतितां मां विषमे भवाम्बुधौ कृपया तव पादपङ्कजा स्थिता धूलिसदृशां विचिन्तया.
Hari bol. Very nice. Next, Swayam Prabha Mataji. Do you want to try?
Which one, Mataji? Third verse.
Prabhu, sixth verse. You can try.
Nayanam Kalapasuradharaya Vadanam Gadgada Gira Pulake Nichaitam Vipugada Tavanama Gragani Bhavashishyate.
Hari bol. Very nice. Thank you, Prabhu. Next, Keshav Prabhu. Seventh verse.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Yugayutam nimeshena chakshusha praveshyayitam shunyatam jagat sarva govinda virahe.
Hari Bol. Next, Gauri Mataji, would you like to try? Last verse.
Yes, Mataji.
Yeah.
आश्लिष्य वा पादरतां पिनस्तु माम् अदर्शनाम् अकमर्महता करोतु वा यथा तथा वा विदधातु लम्पतो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः.
Hari Bol.
Hare Krishna. Thank you.
Krishna, thank you. Okay, so we finish Shikshashtakam. We can't finish Shikshashtakam until we implement these in our life. But yeah, we finished Shikshashtakam. Next class, we will do some small kirtan, and from April, we are going to start with our daily bhajans. Okay, starting with Samsara Dava and all. And that's why I thought, we can include kids also. They'll have holidays, summer vacation. All of you, please do include all the children in your house or in your close circle, right? Let them also attend like a summer camp and learn all the bhajans. Okay, any questions or any feedback, additions, inputs?
Mataji, you are doing awesome, Mataji. Wonderful. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna, all glories to Guru and Gauranga.
Beautiful, Mataji. This is, revisiting how we sing and also with the meaning of it, what has to be the attitude. That is very important because otherwise you go on singing without the attitude. Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
And thank you, Mataji. You're such a senior devotee. We all have to learn from you. Hare Krishna.
Oh, Mataji, everyone is you are even more, exalted devotee,
No, no,
Mataji.
no.
All are learning from you.
No, Mataji.
Mataji, you are really gifted, Mataji. That is all I can say, Mataji. So,
Absolutely. Absolutely.
All glories to Guru and Gauranga. Okay, then we can end the class. Next class, we will do some small bhajan, which we can complete in one class.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much, Mataji. Hare
Thank
Krishna.
you.
Hare Krishna, Mataji.
Pancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnavinda ki jai, Namasharya Shla Haridas Thakur ki jai, Shla Prabhupada ki jai. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.